friends. Well, here I am outside this precious 1937 Colonial Revival bungalow that sort of was a package deal with the gorgeous Queen Anne we showed you last week. We had a ton of requests to take a look inside this little charmer. We're going to be rehabilitating it too, and we just have a few things we've got to do on the inside of this baby. So we thought we'd give you a quick look inside to see how much of its original charm this 1937 sweetie retains. So come on inside. It's going to be a quick tour because we have a lot of actual work to do today next door, but we're going to get this done for you first. Here we are in the living room. One of the things I love about these 1930s bungalows is that they show us that there really was still a time of prosperity in the United States, even during the Great Depression. Building didn't stop. Prosperity didn't stop entirely. It wasn't all Arkies and Okies making their way to California. There were still people in communities thriving, building homes, and this home was built by an attorney. So in 1937, he and his wife built the newest, best, and most modern home. It's a simple home, but we're lucky that we still have all of our original windows. The house retains all of its original beautiful oak floors. We have great space in this area, and right through here, we have a pair of beautiful French doors that lead into the dining room. I love these French doors. I love this delightful pink dining room. Honestly, I think I'm gonna leave a lot of these colors as they are in this house, maybe give them a good scrub. Once we get furniture in here, it's gonna be darling. This is going to be one of the properties where we hope those who come in with WOOF and with the university to work at the organic farm will be staying. So we wanna make it a comfortable, delightful, wonderful place to live and work while people are here. So this area will be a common dining space with these bright, cheery walls and lots of gorgeous natural light from its original windows. Now, what bungalow doesn't have a swinging door to the kitchen? I love this. I love it so much. But let's take a look at what we have for a kitchen right now. So here we are in the kitchen. It's disgusting. For me to say anything to you other than it's disgusting would be a complete and total lie. But it's also very original. We have the original kitchen cabinets, which are in great condition. They just need to be cleaned and painted. And then we still have an amazing drain board sink. I want this sink in my house, so we're so lucky to have it here. And behind me, we have a built-in ironing board. So once this kitchen is cleaned, restyled, it's a wonderful space with access right into the dining room and will be absolutely delightful. This is one of the times that we want to encourage you to look beyond the dirt. When you look at a property, look beyond the filth. There are wonderful elements waiting in all of these homes to be saved. We just need somebody with the vision to save them. Just off the kitchen, we have this wonderful utility room, which is unusual to have in a house of this period. And it has this delightful outdoor access into the huge backyard. All three bedrooms retain their original light fixtures. We love the simplicity of this little style and think it's absolutely precious. So these three dainty ladies will be staying. Yet again, we have inherited not only a house, but an entire lifetime's worth of stuff. So one of the biggest projects we have to undertake in this little bungalow is sorting through this pile, separating the trash from the treasure, and getting rid of the garbage. Here we have the one original bathroom to this house, and as you can see, it probably got a makeover in the 1950s with this great seafoam green color. It has its original bathtub, its original toilet and sink, which we will be keeping, and I'm praying that underneath this linoleum, we have some original 1937 tile. Every door in this house retains its original crystal doorknob and back plate. We are so fortunate. This is one of the only times we've purchased a home of this period where every one of the original hardware sets is extant. So these types of things are literally the thing that I live for. When you walk into a house and you open a closet and it is full of antique linens. Full. This is treasure for me. I cannot wait to get in here, take these all home, give them a good baking soda and OxyClean bath, repress them, and then we'll be using them both in this house and the house next door. There's nothing better. This is just free treasure. This is better to me than like finding gold in the backyard. Well, okay, maybe not better than finding gold in the backyard, but it's much more likely and realistic, and it makes me just as happy. So this little 3-bed, 1-bath lady is going to get more of a makeover than a facelift. She's really wonderfully intact from her early period. She did get a little bit of cobbling together in the 1950s, but she's remarkably, remarkably solid. Her wiring is in excellent condition. She has central heat and air. Hallelujah. She needs a little bit of plumbing work, and then I can get in here, give her a good scrub, change a few little things, but she'll be completely habitable and wonderfully beautiful. And we can't wait to show you what color we've picked for her new exterior makeover. I know you guys helped us vote. We'll be doing that reveal in a couple of weeks. We'll see you guys soon.